Hi everyone. I've got a piece of dyed agate that I bought years ago. I was going to bead around, but I'm not going to bead around it anymore. My eyes are not good enough to do that. And I've got two pieces of square nickel silver wire. And we're going to make a pendant. These long pieces want to hit the camera, but they do every time. So we doubled it in half, made a loop. We're going to try to get it in here close to center. It don't have to be center, but we'll get it as close as you can. And then cinch it down there. Don't cinch it too tight, you can break your wire. Alright, now we'll eyeball it, see that we got about the same. And this one might be a little simpler because this is a big stone and I didn't cut much wire. So we'll go around it and go down. And you'll hold that in place. And go around the bottom of that. And take that one and go up. So you took that one around at the bottom. And you went up with the one that was there. Just like you did on this side. I don't have much battery left. But this is probably going to be a simple one. Unless I add wire to it. Just didn't cut enough. So we'll make a curl here. We're going to bring it up, go behind the stone, and wrap it around. Well, it'll tighten up here in a minute. Alright, and if it doesn't, we'll tighten it up. So we're going to take this and we're going to put our finger here and we're going to do a curl here. Like we did on this side, exactly the same. And then we're going to bring it down behind the stone and wrap it around. So we just repeated what we did there. And tighten it down a little bit, but don't cinch it, because I broke this wire the other day. And I really didn't do much to it. It's nickel silver. I guess it had a stress point to it. Alright, now we've got it in there. We're going to take this one and make a curve here. I don't know if I have enough. Yeah, I probably do. Make another curve around. And we can probably get another one. And let's work on that a little bit. It's different wire, so that's why. Then bring it up here to the top. And we'll take it back here we'll wrap it around. Hope you are having a good day. Well, push that down. Right there. I'm going to leave that little tail hanging there. I might need it for something. Since my wire's so short, I might need it. Alright, now I've got two up here at the top. The shorter one I'm going to make my clasp out of, I think. Well, they're both about the same length, but let's see. I'm going to bring this down and make a tight little curl here. And go around it again. And we'll take that down. We're going to have to pull it a little bit tighter. Let's work on getting this tighter because, like I said, I didn't cut enough wire. So if you're doing a stone this big, you'll need more wire. We'll go back here, take it down here, and go back here, and join it. See which one I pulled. Wonder if I can get that tighter. You can tweak it just a little bit. You just have to play with it a little bit. Push on it and tug on it a little bit. Try not to knock your other stuff out of where you have it. But and then let's see what we'll do here. I need to make a clasp. I think that little tail there is going to hold our clasp once I get it up here. And it's just going to be one. I like to have two, but that ain't happening today. Pull that one out. if I can get it to go. Well, there it is. Alright, now that's what we have so far. We still have this little tail here we can do something with. And I think we're going to need it. Alright, and this one, I think I might bring it over to the front and do a little, I think I might go that way. And then, let's see, put that there, we'll cut it about here, and since this is square wire, well, I think I've got it cinched down. We'll twist it. I'll need to tighten it up. Twist. And, whoops. Oh, we'll take it over here and hook it right there. I like to twist the square wire. It work hardens it, so you can't do too much of it twisted, but yeah, we could have twisted our bill too. Now, see what we can do with this. Maybe we do the same thing and go across here. Go across there. Maybe put another little curve in it. Alright, and we'll take our pin vise. Tighten it up. And then we're going to twist it. to cut it. And then, oops, I'll show you how you tighten your wire up here. You just put a little twist in it. Then take this one, put a little twist in it. And there's our pendant. Y'all, thanks for watching. And I hope to see you on the next one. Like and subscribe, and thanks for sticking it out to the end. It really helps me out. And if you want to, check out my art channel and our rock cutting. If you want to, check out our art channel and our rock cutting channel. We're just starting the rock cutting one, so I moved all my watercolor off and it's got its own channel now. So, but yeah, there we go. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Y'all take care out there. Bye-bye.